Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Safari not working after updating to iOS 26. Let's get started. Solution number 1. Clear history and website data. Open the Setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Scroll down and tap Clear history and website data. Confirm to clear it. Solution number 2. Correct date and time. Open the Setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Tap Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Solution number 3. Clear Safari cache and website data. Open the Setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Scroll down. Select Advanced. Tap Website Data. Choose Remove all website data. Solution number 4. Check storage space. Open the Setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Select iPhone storage. Delete unused apps, photos or files to free up space. Solution number 5. Reset network setting. Open the Setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Choose Reset network setting. Enter your passcode when asked. Confirm again in the pop-up window. That's it, guys. These are the best ways to fix Safari not working on iOS 26. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and fix. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.